Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to disable controller vibration on Mecha Break. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, simply use the mouse pointer icon or the controller pointer icon and select menu at the bottom right corner. And then from the options that appear, select settings. Now within the settings, simply select controller, and within the controller settings, select overall control. Now all you have to do is scroll down and find the controller vibration option. Here it is. And if you'd like to disable it, simply select any of the arrows next to this option, and then until you see the off option. And then once you're done, you can exit and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.